HPAC Chapter 3.2 Button Assignment. On the Button Assignment page, there are two modules, Button Assignment and Accessibility. The Application drop-down menu allows you to apply an assignment to all applications or to a specific application. Click the drop-down and select More to choose a specific application. The Button Assignment section has numbers on the various mouse buttons that are associated with the drop-down list on the right-hand side. Click the number on the image to change the corresponding button's function or choose the desired button from the list. The right-click, Ergo Gesture, Task View, and More settings are displayed in the drop-down list for each button assignment. Select the More option to see several page options listed: Commands, Recent, Keystroke, Launcher, Gesture, Wheel menu. Click the X in the top right corner or Cancel to exit the page without saving. Click Save to save your current settings. The Commands tab has categories for basic mouse controls that are listed on the left-hand side and the corresponding mouse command listed on the right-hand side. You can choose the command predefined by the system or customized ones in the User-Defined category at the bottom. The two icons below the selection area are for editing and deleting user-defined commands. The Recent tab allows you to find the commands you have defined before and quickly select them from the list. In the Keystroke tab, you can name a new command and then click Start Recording to record a key combination for that command. The outcome will be presented in the key combination area. You can record up to 6 keystrokes for the key combination. Click Stop Recording when finished. The Clear button will erase the combination record. In the Launcher tab, you can define the name of an application you want to launch in the App Name field. Click Browse and choose the application. The address will be presented in the Location field. The Gesture tab allows you to set the name of the command above the mouse image. Click the Reset icon to reset the name. You can choose the desired action on the mouse image and then adjust the sensitivity with the sensitivity slider. The Repeat checkbox is to determine whether the command can be repeated through a continuous action. Choose a command from the right-hand side to apply to the action. The Wheel menu tab allows you to set the name of the command above the mouse image. Click the Reset icon to reset the name and number of actions. The wheel image is presented with 2 actions by default. You can add up to 8 actions via the plus button at the bottom. You can select a command from the right-hand list and assign it to the wheel. You can activate wheel menu functions by pressing the wheel and then scrolling to your desired function. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.